Work out the following integrals. So we've got 4x cubed minus 1 over x to the fourth minus x. So write down the integral. Now we've got to realise that this is of this type. It's type f dash of x divided by f of x. Because if you differentiate the bottom, you're going to get 4x cubed minus 1. And we know that ln of f of x, if you differentiate that, you get f dash of x over f of x. So if we try d dx of ln of x to the fourth minus x, that's going to give me 4x cubed minus 1 when I differentiate that, and then I put it over itself. So actually I've got back to what I started with. So this is actually the answer to that integral. So the integral of 4x cubed minus 1 over x to the fourth minus x dx is going to be ln of x to the fourth minus x plus c. This has been a video to show you how to solve a integral where the numerator is the differential of the denominator. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.